Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I'm pretty excited. I was just sent this super cool meat cleaver. Might as well be called a meat axe from BOMASS. This is actually really cool. This will make a great gift for somebody because this is a beautiful piece of art in addition to being functional in your kitchen. They do have a nice informative tag that explains how this was forged as an old-fashioned style of a Japanese style there. Claims that this is Brazilian redwood. Total of 11 inches with a 7-inch blade on this with some protective nibs. Be careful, it is sharp, but they oil it a little bit. And man, this thing looks rough. I mean, it is amazing. I love it. It looks like it's something straight out of a Viking war movie, but I mean, if you're wanting to get in the kitchen and chop some stuff up, this dude would do it. I don't want to chop my fingers off, but this would make a great display for anybody that wants to be able to do that. I'm loving the fact that it's a solid forged piece all the way through the handle. That's going to add some durability. Has some holes in here and on the tang part of this that you can even hang this up if you wanted to hang it somewhere. It just creates a nice, wonderful display piece. Loving the hammer forged look on this part here. The nice, sharp, solid carbon steel blade. Again, this would work great for barbecues, using it around the house, or just to have.